Look at this. They have displays of different habitats. Look, the snake is in the boot. Y'all see that?
Oh, wow. I see.
And then they have a turtle. They have another snake over here. This is a black rat snake, and it's non-venomous. I don't see anything in here. You see a snake in here? I don't see anything. This is an Eastern King lake snake, and it's non-venomous. Bite won't hurt. Well, it may hurt, but it won't kill you. Now this is a turtle. And of course it's not venomous. Oh, here's a snake right here. See, Eric, look.
Where?
The corn snake. Here's the corn snake. He's blending in really well.
Are any of them venomous?
Uh-uh.
Oh, the timber rattlesnake. He's venomous.
The timber rattlesnake is venomous, but he's not on display. Look, snake skin. Old snake skin.
Please do not tap on glass.
If you want to get a shirt, we can get a shirt. You want a shirt?
Yeah.
What color do you want? Green?
I like green.
Yeah, you look very nice in green.
I love green shirts.
Do you like green shirts? These look kind of small, though.
No, babe.
Um,
No, there ain't any like bigger ones.
let's look over here and see if there's some bigger ones. Oh, here's green ones, but those aren't like forest green. Those are just like, I guess, grass green. What about these? These shirts are $25.
Oh,
You still want a shirt?
No.
You don't want a shirt because it's $25?
And take the trail to the left, walk up here to the reflection pond, climb up the 175 stairs to the bridge that goes across the middle, which is the best view. Then at that point you can turn around and come back. Or if you're feeling adventurous, you can walk out the west trench to Spring to Mountain Lodge Creek. And either way though, you get a 2-mile hike.
Yay!
Oh, where can we park since we're parking for 30 minutes?
Alright, yep, in the parking lot across the street or farther down the road.
Okay.
Can we get a candy stick?
Yeah. We can get things.
Watermelon and strawberry?
I would like to have root beer.
You want root beer?
Yes. And banana and.
Or candy?
Can I get some banana?
You want a banana one? Where's the banana one?
Right there. And
Oh.
that peaches and cream.
Oh my gosh. You want a pina colada too?
Huh?
You want a pina colada too?
Yeah. Oh, there's bears around here.
So $1.23.
They're like bears.
Bears. Why can't you just give her the 5? Here's $1 right here.
Oh. And it's $1.23 though.
And I gave you change yesterday.
I don't have it with me.
You're just gonna have to give her the 5.
I'll give her the 5.
Okay.
Oh, will the bears like be on the trail or anything?
They're coming for you.
You can see a bear out there, yes.
But you
Alright, y'all are all set?
don't worry, Eric. You'll know what bears do if I start running. You can follow me. You can follow me. What am I supposed to do?
Oh, we have to move our car.
I know. What am I supposed to do? Say stop?
Oh, kind of. I think it's supposed to walk away.
Look at this. These are pretty. The flowers are pretty. So are you ready for this hike?
Well, we're not gonna be on it too.
No. It's only 2 miles. The Appalachian Trail. Oh, this is the beginning. Here begins the approach trail to the Springer Mountain, the southern terminus of the Appalachian Trail. A continuous footpath extending more than 2,000 miles. So yeah. You ready?
Yeah, let's go move our car first, babe.
Okay.
So,
You want your peppermint stick?
yes.
Which one do you want?
The root beer.
The root beer one? How do I know which one is root beer? There's no labels on these.
It's right there.
Where?
See, it's right here.
Oh, you're right. It is right there.
It is
says
labeled.
Root beer.
Oh, you know your camera's on?
Yep.
And,
You don't want to be recorded?
oh.
Oh, really?
Okay, we can record. Okay, do you want to like drive around here or?
Yeah. Can I have a piece of your root beer one?
Yeah. Can I have a piece of some of yours?
Yeah. I just get a little piece.